Hey everyone, my name is Marco Motino and I am the CEO and founder of Dibbly. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export your projects. All right, so I have a ebook project here that I'm going to open and we are going to export. Now, this is just a template. There's no content, no real content, I should say. This is just demonstration purposes. Let's go to, so there's two ways you can access export. You have the export button here, as well as these three dots, you have an export menu item. So once you click export, you are presented with options on the side and then a preview of what it's going to look like on the other side. So you have your file name. So this can be the name of the file once you export. So we'll just say book title. For example, you can choose your file format. So right now we support Word, PDF is about to be released, and EPUB is the next file format that we're adding. And then page size. So this is the ebook, the default ebook size. And then you have paperback sizes here. We are finalizing how the paperback gets exported. So expect to see improvements soon. Now, with the included content, we add a title page here for you, but you can remove that by clicking or unchecking the box, I should say. Once it unchecks, you're going to have an update preview here, and then you'll see that the title page disappeared. Now, this blank page here is the table of contents page. It's not showing a preview yet. We're working on fixing that, but what happens is the table of contents gets generated on export. So that's why there's a blank page. And then you can see that the content you have is here split by section. And for an ebook template, each section is a chapter. So we can keep going and you see you have your book here. Now we are working on styles. So Style Gallery is a one-click button and it styles your book for you. Right now, we have a very basic version, which is just our in-house ebook version. So once I click it, you'll see the previews being updated. And now you'll see the text over here. Once the preview is done, you'll see the text update. Oh, it also reset the title page because that style includes a title page. So you can see here that the style has updated. And what it did was set Georgia for the fonts, Cambria for heading 3, and then justify align on the alignment options. And then if you want, you can further refine it by going into, let me just move this over. You have your paragraph spacing, and then you have your line height. So for example, if you wanted a taller line height, you can click that. We set it to 1.5 and you'll see it adjust here. Yeah, there you go. So that is exporting in a nutshell. You can customize the headings, the body, text. We're going to be adding a lot more options here. So this is like version 1, as well as include sections here. You can manually select the sections that you want to choose. If you don't want to include all of them, we give you that option. And then you'll see that this will adjust to only include the sections that you have chosen. So once that's done, you hit export. In this case, we're going to get a Word file. And for this ebook, it'll be ready to be published onto Amazon and good to go. So that's how you use a formatting tool. Keep an eye on it because we are going to be pushing some huge updates here, not only to the style gallery. We're going to have more robust, more fully fleshed out interior designs, but also different formatting options here for you as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.